Hey guys, welcome back to another new video. Today I'm gonna do a review of the Ink Gel X roller pens. For more awesome videos, please subscribe, like, and turn on post notifications to never miss a video. Without further ado, let's get started with this review. Initiating with this review, I'm gonna go ahead and check some of the information about these pens. We can see the size, the color, and some other information about these pens. The brand of these pens are Ink, and they're gel roller pens. And we have some components package. We have comfort grip, smooth gel ink, and clean bold lines. These three components prove that these are good pens to write with and other things we can do with these pens. Honestly, I've never owned one of these pens before, and I'm excited to see the results and if it's true that it has a comfort grip, smooth gel ink, and if it creates clean bold lines, and check the things this pen can do. And right now I'm gonna open up the package and see what things we can do with these pens. As I got it out from the package, I can see they're not as heavy as other pens I bought, and we have a durable metal clip. We have the brand of the pen's ink. It locks in pretty good. There's a soft noise, and I'm trying to write as neat as possible, and also with a comfort grip to see if it's really true. And if it's really true, I'm gonna get a plain sheet of paper and write my YouTube channel BeautyJane25 on top of it. I'm going with the package again and checking off the things that it's saying. And as I said, it's really smooth. And also it's quite a comfort grip. I'm just writing down some numbers and the alphabet just to check how smooth it is and if it creates clean border lines, as it's said on the front and the back as well. And you can use these pens for a variety of things. You can use them for projects, writing, taking notes at school or work. And right now I'm just checking if I can use this for writing as well. I'm just drawing some squiggly lines, zigzag lines, wavy lines to see if I can use them for drawing. And from drawing that, I see that you can use that too. It's really smooth, and it's, as I said, it's gel pens, and you can use that for drawing too. If you're in a rush, then you can just take one pen and carry it in a pack or purse, and it really creates a really smooth writing. You can definitely use them for a lot of things. I definitely like the grip and how it writes. If you guys want to try out one of these dollar pens, you can go to your nearby store and look for the Ink Gel X roller pens. These are really good, as I said before, for writing projects and more things involved with writing. And I really hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. That's BeautyJane25. Bye.